Do you know that hackers monitor your WhatsApp without you knowing? That's how we catch cheaters. Check the description for a link to the ultimate security expert who can protect you and hack for you. WhatsApp monitoring is a serious privacy threat that affects millions of users daily. Your private conversations, photos, and location data can be accessed without your knowledge, leaving you completely exposed. Hackers use sophisticated tools like spyware apps that can be remotely installed on your device. These programs run invisibly in the background, capturing screenshots, recording calls, and extracting your media files. Some methods exploit WhatsApp web vulnerabilities or use social engineering to gain access to your account. In real cases, victims have had their relationships destroyed, careers damaged, and identities stolen through WhatsApp monitoring. For the best protection and fast hacking, send a mail to techcontinental5@gmail.com and check the description to our top security expert. Plus, like, share, and subscribe for more privacy tips.